Hello everyone, my name is James with skEYEwatch. Today, I'm going to show you some really cool features that we have built into the skEYEvue vehicle camera system. This is a live recorded demo of behind the scenes of one of our customers' online dashboards. Today, we're going to take a look at a few mobile connected fleet cameras, and I'm going to show you how fleet owners and managers are using skEYEwatch to view their fleet cameras in real time, even while their vehicles are off-site and in motion. Let's get to it. The first thing our customers are going to need to do is sign into their password-protected online portal. Once logged in, our customers are going to see these little hotspots, these little map clusters that reveal where their vehicles are exactly on the map. This is real-time location data right from the GPS. So in order to view the cameras, there are two ways to get this accomplished. The first is just navigating through the map and clicking on the trucks. And once you click on one of these trucks, you'll see this little pop-up. And at the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little tiny camera. Just click on that camera, and you'll get right to the live view. Right now, we're looking at truck 214. It looks like he's stuck in a little bit of traffic. And as you can see, we got all four cameras brought up here. This is a multi-mounted camera system. So what we have here is rear cameras, a front camera, and side view cameras, left and right side of the truck. Looks like his rear camera's a little hazy. It's always good practice to wipe your cameras clean at least once a day, especially in the construction industry. It definitely gets dirty out there on the job sites. So this live view is also being recorded to a onboard DVR. We'll talk about that in another video. But I was just going to briefly introduce some of the text that's written on the screen. As you see here, we have the truck number, today's date and time. We also record the GPS calculated speed detection, and the GPS coordinates right at the bottom. The reason why we have this information on these videos is mainly for legal purposes, in case you ever have to present this video surveillance to a court case. Well, that's how you look at trucks using the map. That was truck 214. Now, let's look at another way that we can find a camera feed from a truck. Perhaps you're looking for a specific truck number and you don't have time going through the map. We actually have a truck list right here that makes it easy to pull up a truck by the truck number, right here in numerical order. Let's say someone is wondering where truck 223 is at. We'll just go down this numerical list and click on the camera icon right on truck 223 and pull up their live video stream. As you can see here, truck 223 is a ready-mix truck and is loading in at the plant. Well, that's it, guys. There you have it. This is how you view commercial vehicle cameras in real time. In our next related video, I'll show you how to skim through the vehicle DVR and download previously recorded video clips. All of this can be done using the cloud retrieval feature from our skEYEvue online dashboard. Well, that's all for today, guys. See you on the next video.